Hi, my dear friends and my dear colleagues all over the country, all over the globe. I'm Dr. Saurabh Bansal, and actually, we are working on a very visionary project called the Surgeons House Limited. And it is a SHL Surgeons House Private Limited is a recognized company from our Honorable Government of India. And we are working almost 24/7 with some individuals to raise this company into a global project. So I really invite the surgeons who believe in that concept of group practice and team practice, and the individuals who are actually not associated with the per se, they are not surgeons or doctors, but they are associated with healthcare, or they intend to get associated with the healthcare and build this initiative into a global organization. So the intent of the bringing down the surgeons from various parts of the country and various part of the globe is not only developing their clinical practices, but also to ensure that the practices are done based on evidence-based medicine and lying the uniformity in the mainly in the practice. So what we intend to do is forming a uniform guidelines of doing the practice and collecting the data and having your own analysis the way we do our practices. So it is not only about surgeons getting identified in their local community or something, but it is also about identifying themselves into a global community of the surgeons. So the second main thing is that as we know that most of the surgeons are really good at their clinical management skills, but at the same time we really intend at the surgeon's house that surgeons come forward and take the initiative of managing build their own house, which is called surgeon's house, with the root values, cores and cultures which we are trying to embed in the surgeons. So it gives a uniform practice, and as well as it gives the it will give a future perspective to our younger generation of the surgeons also. So currently the surgeon's house, as per a lot of rumors going on, it's not associated with any organization, but yes, we intend to associate with a lot of named healthcare organization, which will give which we are already, like, in terms of talking or something, and we want to get a platform to build our practices. Secondly, we intend to partner up with the various digital and technological solutions providing company and use the social media handles which we are already using to reach out the community very well. So second thing is that a lot of people are confused about how to go about it and how we can approach this whole initiative. So I will like you to visit the whole page, thesurgeonshouse.com. There are a lot of email IDs which are properly assigned to the Surgeons House team, and I'm personally looking into this, and you can directly write me to up. We will love to hear from you. We'll love to hear from you, your ideas, your feedbacks, your queries, and you can always mail us, you can always call us on the number that is provided to you. Secondly, if there are any queries related to your blogs, related to any your self-practice or anything which you think that how we can coordinate with this initiative, we can always coordinate and answer all those queries. So I will love to listen from you, and please thanks for your patience listening for a short video, and please keep in touch. And